Hey there, it's Oren Weintraub with the Dale Carnegie 30-Day Challenge. We are applying one principle per day and gaining the willing cooperation of others. Please leave a comment below and let us know how the challenge has gone for you so far. And if you're just discovering the challenge now for the very first time, might I recommend that you watch the video called Dale Carnegie 30-Day Challenge Introduction and start today with principle number 1. It's day 17, and the principle we're applying is try honestly to see things from the other person's point of view. I remember in a previous job, I had a colleague whose performance was what I considered to be substandard. And on top of that, she would take a lot of breaks. Now, for me, I was personally resentful because I'm committed to quality, and I was putting my time and effort into making sure that everything was top notch. So this, after a couple of weeks, this started to be so much that I said, you know what, I'm going to do something about this. Now, I have a personal policy that out of respect, before I go and complain to management about somebody, I will first approach the person, the colleague themselves, and see if we can work it out between ourselves. And usually, I've been able to do that. Well, I sat down with my colleague one afternoon and I said, listen, there's something I've been wanting to talk to you about. I hope you don't take this the wrong way. But I've noticed that you tend to take more breaks than the rest of the team, and recently I've started to feel like I'm pulling my own weight plus some of yours. And I don't mean this in an accusatory way, but I wanted to bring this up with you and see, is something wrong? Is something going on? Have you noticed this, or is this the first time you're noticing it? She said, you're right. And then she told me that recently she had been diagnosed with a condition that impacts her ability to be fully present at work, and that she has been taking breaks in order to deal with that. And of course, I felt absolutely terrible. But not only that, she then proceeded to get back into things, and she took fewer breaks and she pulled her weight more because she really got the impact that it was having on the rest of the team, which I really appreciated, especially because that was in spite of her condition, which she now knew that I knew about. How often do we judge people because we assume that things are exactly the same for them as they are for us? They're not the same. We are not 7 billion people living in one world, but one people living in 7 billion worlds. If we really want to understand someone, let's not judge, let's not assume, let's communicate and listen. For today, get into somebody else's world. Go and understand them, communicate and really listen. Try honestly to see things from the other person's point of view. You will avoid frustration, gain new insights into why that person is the way they are, and you'll make them want to cooperate willingly. Please like and share this important message, this video, with your circles. It will make a difference to them. And if you haven't already done so, please click subscribe so you can be notified when future videos are posted. This is Oren Weintraub with the Dale Carnegie 30-Day Challenge. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow for Principle 18.